Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you to the online English classes. As you know, in previous class we had already started a new chapter from your book Beehive. That is chapter 8. And the name of the chapter is Reach for the Top. In previous class, I already told you that this chapter is divided into two parts. Part 1, that is Santosh Yadav, and part 2, Maria Sharapova. And we had already started part 1, that is Santosh Yadav. Before we proceed to the class, we just recall the chapter. Santosh Yadav is the only woman in the world to have scaled the Mount Everest twice and born in a small village in Haryana. As you know, she was the sixth child in a family, a sister to 5 brothers. She was born in a society where the birth of son was regarded as a blessing, and that time daughters was not welcome. A holy man blessed Santosh's mother, thinking that she wanted a son. But that time Santosh's grandmother told him that they didn't want a son. This surprised the holy man, and he blessed her. Santosh was born in a Janivas village in Haryana. As a sixth child. She is the sister of 5 brothers. As I already told you that Santosh meaning contentment. That means satisfaction. Santosh began living life on her own terms. That time, other girls wore traditional Indian dresses. But she always wore shorts. She said that she was determined to choose a correct path. Others were to change themselves, not she. Their parents were rich landowners. They could send her for education to nearby Delhi, the capital. But they sent her to the village school because she is a girl. That time Santosh decided to fight the system. When she turned 16, she refused to marry. Most of the girls in her village used to get married at that age. But she warned her parents that she would never marry if she didn't get a proper education. For her, education is important in place of marry. That time she got admission in a school in Delhi. Her parents refused to pay her fees. But she told them that she would work part-time to earn money. They agreed to pay for her education. After then, Santosh passed the high school. She went to Jaipur to join Maharani College. She got a room in Kasturba Hostel. It faced the Aravali Hills, and she used to see the villages going up the hills and disappearing. One day she decided to check herself why the climbers disappeared. She went there and she found nobody except a few climbers, and they encouraged her to take a climbing. Then there was no looking back. Santosh started saved money for mountaineering. She enrolled herself in a course at Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. She went there directly from Jaipur. That time she wrote a letter to her father. In it, she apologized for taking admission in Uttarkashi. There, Santosh went on an expeditions every year. She developed a remarkable resistance to cold and altitude. She had an iron will, physical endure, and mental toughness. Her efforts started bearing fruits. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Pole. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save another climber, that is, Mohan Singh. She would have met with some same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. Now, what's the meaning of mission? That is campaigning. Provided, that means gave. Col, that means a low point in a mountain range. Now in 1988, she had asked the Aravali mountaineer if she could join them. That time in 1992 became the year of her grand success. And her casual climb on the Aravali hill in 1992, she climbed Mount Everest. She was 20 years of age. Santosh became the youngest woman in the world to climb the peak. Her seniors were impressed by her quality of physical strength, mental strength, and strong willpower. Her companion and expectations found her to be conquered for other and willing to work as team. And she is always helpful. She tried to save a fellow climber, was unsuccessful in saving another fellow, Climbus. She thus became the youngest woman in the world. And that time she saved Mohan Singh, who fell short of oxygen, by sharing oxygen with him. And she saved his life. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Napoleon's women's expeditions that invited her to join them. She then scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice, and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annal of mountaineering. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors of Padma Shri. Now, what's the meaning of scaled? That is climbed. What's the meaning of unique? That is which has no parallel. Annal, that means historic records. Bestowed, that means conferred, or to say honored her. Top honors, that means highest award. Within the next year, she had joined a group of Indo-Napoleons, mountaineer women. Then she claimed the peak the second time, becoming the only woman to have claimed the Mount Everest twice. Santosh made India proud by getting her name recording in the historical record of mountaineering. That's not easy. Mountaineering is not easy. The Indian government honored her achievement by giving her the Padma Shri award. That is very prestigious award, Padma Shri award. That Indian government gave to Santosh Yadav. That is a top honor. After then, describing her feeling when she was literally on the top of the world, Santosh has said it took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. Then I unfurled the India tricolor to hold it aloft on the roof of the world. The feeling is indescribable. The Indian flag was flying on the top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian, also a valiant environmentalist. Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalaya. Literary, what's the meaning of literary? That means plainly and simply. Enormity, that means excess. Sink, that means to drown. Unfurled, that means hosted. Aloft, that means high up. Indescribable, which cannot be described. Spiritual, that means related to soul. Fervent, what's the meaning of fervent? That means great. Environmentalist, what's the meaning of environmentalist? One who takes a great care of environment. Collected, that means gathered together. Garbage, you know very well, that is rubbish. Now Santosh recollect her feeling when she was literally at the top of the world. She took time to realize that she had achieved something big. And that time she hosted the Indian flag at top of the Mount Everest, on the highest point of the world. She cannot put the great feeling of the words. She felt proud to be an Indian. As she believed in preserving the environment, she did her bits by bringing down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalaya. She is caring the environment also. From there also she bring 500 kilogram of rubbish. Now in this chapter, what's the message? See, reach for the top convey the message that one must set one's eyes on the stars and doing the hard work for achievement for their goals. Without hard works, you can't get anything. Your hard work, determination, and constant, that persistent efforts. Instead of complaining against the ill in society, one can dare to change the system and shape on its own destiny. And once one has achieved great heights, one should the responsibility to achieve success and glory in their own area. Just like Santosh Yadav. And what's the theme? Santosh Yadav, that success comes to those who dare to do. This runs throughout the account of Santosh Yadav education, talent, and success as a woman. Mountaineer in a country where discrimination against women. Santosh defined all odds, custom, traditions, and prejudices to spirits. Her phenomenal success through hard work, through persistent efforts, and focus on the goals, and mental and physical toughness that is important for everyone. Santosh has really reached the highest top that a woman mountaineer could reach, not just once but twice. She is a wonderful role model to emulate. So the title is quite appropriate here. In this way, we complete chapter 8, part 1st, Santosh Yadav biography. Hope you all understood the chapter. Thank you.